Good morning, student. I am Dhananjay Sen. Subject Physical Education, Class 12, Lecture number 4, Chapter number 5, Children and Sports. Right? Topic: Common postural deformity. Various types of postural deformity are discussed below. First, spinal curvature. Second, flat foot. Third, knock knee. Fourth, bow leg. Fifth, round shoulder. Right? We are going to start with spinal curvature first. Right? This type of deformity is related to the spine. As you can understand, for the word spine curvature, it depends on the curve of the spine. This deformity is caused by carrying excessive weight behind one's capacity. In other words, we can say that weak muscle causes the formation of spinal curvature. Right? That means if you have weak muscle, then you might have a spinal curvature. That means, as the example is given, excessive weight, if you are having excessive weight, carrying excessive weight behind your capacity, and it will call a spinal curvature. Why? Because your muscles are weak, there are try to sufficient and insufficient of carrying that particular weight. Right? Now, spinal curvature deformity are three types: A. Kyphosis, B. Lordosis, C. Sclerosis. Right? So, going to start with kyphosis first. Right? It impulse an increase or exaggeration of a backward or posterior curve, or a decrease or reversal of a forward curve. It is also called round upper back. Right? Depression of chest is common in kyphosis. Right? Causes of kyphosis. First, malnutrition, illness, crowded area, unavailability of pure air, insufficient exercise, rickets, carrying heavy load on shoulder, unsuitable furniture, weak muscle, shyness among girls, habit of doing work by leaning forward. Right? These are the causes of kyphosis. Precaution. If specific precautions are not followed, it may result in kyphosis. So, the teachers and parents should pay specific attention so as to avoid this disorder. From the very beginning, they should teach appropriate posture of sitting, standing, and walking to children so that their postures may remain balanced. Proper and adequate exercise is not only helpful in maintaining proper postures, but also control the problem of kyphosis. Right? Third, remedies. The following exercises should be performed for the remedies of kyphosis. First, sit in a chair such that your hips should touch the back of the chair. While looking upward, hold your hand behind the back in such a way that your shoulder may remain straight backward. Remain in this position for some time. Right? Second, always keep a pillow under your back while. Right? Third, bend your head backward in a standing position. Right? Fourth, perform Dhanush Asana, the yogic asana, regularly. Fifth, lay down on your back, keep your hand near the shoulder. Now stand up your arm slowly and raise the chest. Head should be kept backward. Maintain this position for some time, right? 6. Hold your arm at the shoulder level and bend your elbow. Snap your elbow back to the starting position. Repeat this exercise at least 8 times for the best result, right? B. Lordosis. Lordosis is the inward curvature of spine. In fact, it is the increased forward curve in the lumbar region. It creates problem in standing and walking. The body seems to be stiff. Lordosis can be corrected in the early stage, right? Causes of lordosis: imbalanced diet, improper environmental, improper development of muscle, obesity, and disease affecting vertebra and spinal muscle. Not performing exercise, eating excess food, right? Precaution: first, balanced diet should be taken. Second, obesity be kept away, especially in early age. Third, the body should be kept straight while carrying weight. Fourth, excessive intake of food should be avoided, right? Third, remedy. For the remedy of lordosis, the following exercises should be performed. First, while maintaining a standing position, bend forward for hip level. Repeat this exercise 10 times. Second, lay down on your back and raise your head and leg simultaneously for 10 times. Third, perform sit-up regularly, right? Fourth, halasana should be performed regularly. Fifth, you should lay down in supine position, that is on your back. Then should raise your leg at 45-degree angle. Remain in this position for some time, right? 6. Toe touching exercises should be done for at least 10 times. 7. Sit down and extend your leg forward. Try to bring your knee to touch your forehead. Repeat this exercise 10 times, right? C. Scoliosis. Postural adaptation of the spine in lateral direction is called scoliosis. Always remember, lateral direction is called scoliosis. In fact, these are sideways curve and may be called scoliosis curve. In it, these curves are identified at either convexity right or right convexity, a simple or single curve to be to the left or convexity left in commonly called a C curve. A scoliosis curve may be found in S shape, right? Causes of scoliosis. Scoliosis may be due to many reasons, but the main reason are disease in the joint or bone, underdeveloped leg, infantile paralysis, rickets, carrying heavy load on one shoulder, unhealthy conditions such as inadequate lighting arrangement, uncomfortable desk, partial defenselessness, and wrong standing postures, right? It may be causes weak cognition or educate abnormalities or vertebra, muscle or nerves, right? Precaution: first, balanced diet should be taken. Second, studying should be avoided in sideways bending position. Third, avoid walking for a long time while carrying weight in one hand, right? Remedies. Scoliosis can be remedied by doing the following exercises. First, bending exercise should be done on the opposite side of the C-shaped curve. Second, hold the horizontal bar with hand and let your body hang for some time. Third, hold the horizontal bar with your hand and swing your body to the left and right side. 4. Swing by using breaststroke technique, right? Okay, thank you very much.